Hi, this is Umar. India on Thursday reported 4.12 lakh new cases and around 4,000 deaths in last 24 hours. India has become the first country in the world to register over 4 lakh infections in single day. And look at our markets. Nifty has closed in the green for the second day and closed above the resistance of 14,700. It has formed a small bullish candle on daily chart. The major support for this bullishness is from autos, metals and IT stocks which helped in the rally. Now Nifty has to hold above 14,700 levels to cross the 15,000 resistance in the coming days, and on the downside 14,600 is a good support. India VIX moved up slightly by 0.34% from 21.96 to 22.03 level. If Nifty breaches 14,600 level, then the weakness shall drag it down towards 14,500 levels. And on the upside, 15,000 should be a good resistance, and we have been seeing massive selling whenever the 15k is hit. Now if it holds above 15,000, then there should be an excellent rally, and we may see all-time highs on the coming days. And on the option front, maximum put open interest was seen at 14,000, followed by 13,500 strike, while maximum call open interest was seen at 15,000, followed by 15,500 strike, and call rating was seen at 14,800 strike, while small put rating was seen at 14,200 and 14,300 strike. Now this indicates that the trading range is between 14,500 and 15,000 levels, which we explained in yesterday's video as well. And after continuous selling for the past few days, FII has turned net buyers today and have bought around 1,200 crores, and DII has sold for around 632 crores. Now that's market for you. Now let's see about trading. We mentioned yesterday that we are going to deploy a iron condor, and we will test. Of course, this is a demo account, it is not real. In fact, we are having some calls and puts in our real account also. Now what we have done is we have sold 14,000 put and bought 13,900 put on weekly option, which is going to expire on 12th May. That is on the downside. 14,400 put we have sold one lot, and we have bought 13,900 put one lot, and on the put side, and on the call side 15,000 call we have sold and 15,100 call we have bought. So that is an iron condor. So total premium we are going to get is around 1,786. Fund will be required is around 50,000, and probability of profit is 72,000. Maybe if it goes near 14,800 or 14,900, this probability will come down, you know that. So we will see. We want this trade to breach this break even point. So let's see how we will manage this trade. So that's it for today. I think you enjoyed this video. We are just trying to, we cannot come out with strategies every day. That's why we are trying to evolve, and I'm trying to come inside market and give you some market data, so that we take things smoothly forward, right? So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.